Today I'm popping in to do a quick review on the L-shaped cat scratcher. When you open the box, you're going to find everything is included that you need. You have your felt, some directions, you have all of the pieces that it is assembled with. Everything is made out of solid wood, so that's really nice. It also has all of the tools and the pieces you're going to need, so let's go ahead and get this set up. All right, we officially have this cat scratcher all set up. Our little kitty Ravenpaw has been testing it out. I love that it is made out of wood construction. I had absolutely no problem putting this together in less than 10 minutes with my 11-year-old daughter. So it was very simple to put together. The felt is extremely thick, so it's made of a really good quality felt that's going to last a long time. It also has this really soft little, feels like rabbit fur. It's got a bell on it. You can see he's been watching the little toy on here, but it has like a nice little stretchy string on it, which really makes it enticing. It has these feet on it, just like this. There's a little bar that goes on the back of it, which really helps to stabilize it. I do find that it works better if you have it leaned up against something, so that way when your cat starts scratching on it, it doesn't tip over. This does come with little stick-on Velcro pieces that you can stick to the floor or even stick to the wall if you need to make sure that it stays where you put it. But overall, our cats have been having a really good time with it. Our outdoor cat loves it. He's really enjoying it. Our indoor cat is a little bit of a lazy cat. She played with it a little bit, but our outdoor cat is really enjoying it. You can see the back has a nice kind of stabilizing build. It's extremely solid. It works really nicely. It has a very modern design. It just has a really nice, clean, sleek look to it. If it's a product that you are considering, I do recommend it. Our cats are really enjoying it. It is a product that the manufacturer has sent me in exchange for my honest, unbiased opinion. So hopefully my review has helped you decide if it's the right product for you or not.